this place looks promising. What do you think, Mushroom? Miss Piggy? Well, it looks like they're still not talking. Okay. I don't know where to go. I don't really have anything to do. What am I supposed to do as a human? Well, I could try to become a stuffed animal again. I mean, this is terrible. Being a stuffed animal is awesome. And I still haven't found out what these codes meant. 427. What? Well, hopefully I'll meet up with someone. And what is that moving stuff? It's all brown and stuff? What? Okay, I have to check this out. Yeah, it is definitely moving. But I don't see how something that's hard like this can move like that. What does it feel like? Rough or something? How am I putting my finger through it? This stuff is weird. I don't like it. I don't understand anything. Fabulous should have gone to human school or something. Sprig, I wish he could talk. And also, Mushroom, trying to give me the silent treatment or something. Just keep on. Oh, Mr. Piggy. Are you trying to run away and fall into that stuff that I can put my finger through? Hey, is that another guy?
What?
Who are you?
I'm McNugget Face.
Why are you having stuffed animals like I do?
I'm McNugget Face.
How is he talking? He can't move when other humans see him. Or at least that's what I think. 'Cause my friends aren't talking or moving.
Well, he can. Probably something happened.
Maybe. What is this? Is this just something you can sit on? Yeah.
I was swinging on it. I don't know what it's called. I just called it a swing.
Why am I going back and forth like this? Guys? Okay. Lots of time later. Who are you?
I am Paper Dude and I can grant any wishes.
So you're like a genie?
Exactly.
So my first wish is I wish my friends could move.
Oh, and remember, you only have 2 wishes. So is the first one that you want your friends to move?
Yeah.
Bam! Your wish is granted.
How are you talking through your teeth?
It's a skill.
Oh, cool. So why aren't you guys moving? Wait, I can move.
Yeah, I can move too. This is so awesome.
Oh, and I don't know why we couldn't move before. Who are you?
I'm McNugget Face.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Oh, well, my friend here is a stuffed animal turned into a human.
Okay.
Hey, why don't you wish to that guy that you were a stuffed animal? Okay. He's gone? Maybe you'll meet up with him someday.
Me?
No, we're talking to the human.
That human?
No. This one.
Oh.
What do you think this human is?
I have no idea.
Oh. Okay.
But then, why is he bringing you places?
It's
a bus.